Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to check Gmail password on phone. Friends, if you forgot your Gmail password, then you can retrieve it by simply opening your Google Chrome browser. Now here you need to press on the three dots. Now press on settings. Now here you need to press on Google Password Manager. Now here you will find the saved passwords of all your logged in apps or accounts. So to check your Gmail account password, you need to press on google.com. Now here it will show your all Gmail accounts. Now to see password of any of your Gmail account, you simply need to press on this view icon and it will show you the password. So friends, here you will find all your Gmail accounts password which you have logged in your mobile phone. So friends, like this you can very easily check your Gmail password on phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.